Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Dropcap widget in Move Addons. Dropcaps are big letters to use as the initial letters of your passages. Dropcaps are very useful to mark the important paragraphs and notice the reader's eye to that. For the last 2,000 years, dropcaps have been used for the printed page industry. With the Dropcaps widget, you can create a stunning first letter and customize different dropcap attributes, such as font, label, color, background color, size, border, and so on. Anyway, let me show you the simple way of adding a dropcap section on your website. We're going to start by searching the widget from the search box. Now drag this widget from the Move Elementor panel right here. A very simple dropcap content layout comes here. And just put your text in this box. Just like the other Move add-on widgets, you can customize the text color, typography, background, and alignment from the Style tab or the Advanced tab. Hope you've understood the simple steps of using the Dropcap widget. To know more about the other widgets of Move Addons, please check the video playlist. And thanks for watching.